Now guys, let's see one more thing about how you can add quick buy button. So it is very much important. So just go to your dashboard, and from here just go to plugins, click on add new, and search here quick buy. You will going to see this plugin by WP is my life. Okay, just click on install now and then click on activate, and here you will going to see buy now button for WooCommerce has been successfully added. Okay, for example, I will go to the website again. So this is the website I have, my e-commerce website. Now for example, I just go to shops, and for example, this is one digital book. Now here you can see that I have added this buy now button. That means instead of going to the add to cart button, he can directly click here and he can go to checkout page. So if I will click here, so like this, you can see he will directly go to payment section where he can put billing details and make payment to me. So this is how this works. Okay, so hope you guys have understood this. Also guys, one more thing, if you want to create one professional e-commerce website for 100% free, or if you want to create one professional blogging website for free, or if you want to create online course website for free, then please see the link in description box of this video. I have provided one course. With the help of that course, you can create one beautiful course website, shop website, or blogging website. Also do follow us on Instagram. We have 53,000 plus followers. Also just follow us on Facebook. We have around 1,000 plus followers here. Okay, if you also want to ask any doubts, just go to Instagram and ask any question to us. We will going to reply you. Thank you.